I was on a train and this man gets on, covered in tattoos. Well, we'd only gone one stop, and I knew the names of half his family. I was at the local supermarket, and this lady turns to me and she says, "Oh, aren't they lovely? I wish I could take them home with me." Then she closed the till and says, "Did I need a bag?" Why do parrots hate David Attenborough? 'Cause he never gives them a speaking part.